International pop sensation Justin Bieber is in Mumbai. He arrived late last night, or rather early this morning, for his maiden concert in India. The 23-year-old singer arrived around 1:30 a.m. in a chartered flight along with his crew, and he's all set to perform in Mumbai. And thousands of fans, believers as they're called, have flown in to Mumbai from across the country for that concert. He's a rage among the youth, especially teenagers. And Bieber is currently touring to promote his critically acclaimed album, Purpose. Well, let's go across to Anand Zanane, who's been interacting with a lot of believers over the last couple of days, haven't you, Anand? So tell us more about a lot of security arrangements have been made for the Justin Bieber concert, and thousands of people expected for it.
Well, absolutely. They're expecting crowds to the numbers of 70,000. That's an estimate that has been provided to us by the organizers of this concert. And as you say that a lot of believers have descended in Mumbai for this concert, we have a few early birds with us who are already here to collect their tickets because, the sort of stadium opens at around 2 o'clock. Aren't you guys really early here today?
I know we are, but we are very excited. Like, we have to collect our tickets, so we have to stick to the stage. To just watch him close, that's it.
I can see your Bieber cap, your Bieber t-shirts. What else is, a believer about you?
Everything is actually. We listen to him every day, and finally, when we got the news about he's coming here, I was crying. I was literally crying out of happiness. I'm really happy.
Right. Just tell me something about the sort of mania around him. How much are you spending to be here?
I spent it around 10,000 rupees.
Okay.
7,000 on the ticket, and the rest of the traveling, this, that. It's worth it, but.
Which is your favorite song, and can you sing that for us?
I can sing that. I love Yourself.
You love yourself.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Have a great time, and you guys should probably make the most of it because you're spending so much money. Gargi, this is just, just a few early birds over here. Obviously, there's tremendous amount of excitement about the concert, and as you said, that there are a lot of teenagers, and he is a teenage heartthrob in many ways. So, we'll see several thousands of them come here today at the D.Y. Patil Stadium and on the outskirts of Mumbai. So it's going to be a very exciting performance by Justin Bieber. We're also expecting some Bollywood A-listers like Shah Rukh Khan, Sonakshi Sinha, and Alia Bhatt, but those confirmations will hopefully come a little later in the day.
Right. And Anand, very briefly, it's always a big concern when you have these big concerts in Mumbai, a lot of traffic issues, security issues. So, the police, they're really prepared for this?
Well, yes, because this is Navi Mumbai, and a lot of people from across the island of Mumbai are also coming in for this concert. Interestingly, there are chopper rides being carried out from Mahalakshmi Racecourse all the way from there, from Juhu Airport to this particular venue. There's a helipad over here also. Justin Bieber himself is expected to take a chopper, despite the fact that he has a Rolls Royce at his beck and call, because Mumbai is infamous for traffic snarls, and everybody wants to avoid the traffic, so people will probably come in early. And if you have Gargi about 1.5 lakhs to 5.5 lakhs to spare, you can get a chopper ride as well. But obviously those are exorbitant, and there are corporate honchos and A-listers who are actually availing of that facility.